in La Puente Park. Chris Ray, legend. My brother.
Yeah.
Yes. Up at La Puente with Chris Ray, the GOAT. Dang, this skate park has music. This place has music. La Puente Park. This place is... You can just tell it's gonna get so hot. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this place is pretty cool. I don't get that. Is that just a... What's up, G? How are you? I don't get this obstacle.
This one?
Yeah. They made a Tiago ledge.
It's the hangout ledge.
This is, yeah.
Shaded.
Yeah, the only shade. Kind of cool. Up at La Puente, skating, Chris Ray. Check it.
This is the best park I've been to in a while.
It's good.
This is amazing. Like this is gonna be fun.
La Puente. La Puente. That's how we're doing things. Let's go. Set,
Taller than it is.
setting it off
Really
for the...
tall.
Different kind of man.
Macro lens.
Super Mac. Ooh. Just finished it up.
Download the GoPro app.
Huh?
I want to download the GoPro app.
I got the is it GoPro Quick?
Yep.
Yeah, I got that. For me?
You.
Yo! Turn up season has returned.
Alright, let me show you.
Holy smokes.
Alright. We got the handle.
Handle.
Okay, need that. Maximon lens. Super
Wow.
wide.
Wow.
You gotta have,
Yo!
you gotta have a memory card. I can't send you without a
My
memory card.
dog!
And then,
Holy shit. No way.
GoPro.
This just changed the whole game for me right here. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Chris. God.
I'll send you my settings.
I gotta give you a sweaty hug. Thank you so much.
Yep. Oh man,
That's
you're
my
all
fucking
sweaty. You're
dog.
all sweaty. Soaking wet. Oh.
Yes, dude, I'm so hyped right now. Go faster! That was good.
Not bad for a beginner.
Black Hawk down. Exactly. Oh wow, they're really chilling. They're having a good time. Very like you know. Speaking on African descent, Dara. So darker people. Yeah, they come from hotter climates. Hotter, sunnier climates. That's why your skin's darker, because it's all sunny and shit there.
Sunny and shit.
Basically super fucking tan at birth.
Sunny.
And
Alright, we're good.
that's it. That's Dara's take on Africa.
It looked like Dara could probably, was that his board?
Yeah,
Yeah, dude, you guys,
he did go first.
did he?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to have one when I was a little kid.
Yeah, we're at NoHo. I'm testing out my new GoPro Chris Ray gave to me.
Yeah.
And Nicole's here. Shout out to Nicole. And we're gonna see what kind of moves we can get from Joshua.
I'll fucking do nose grind pop out, I think.
Okay.
First try. Babe, you gotta move that little tripod for me though. But you gotta do it quick before I turn around. Quickly, quickly, quickly.
That was sick, Josh.
Yeah, thanks, dude.
Nicole gets some points too.
I didn't know it was a make though.
That was a make. Amin in there.
Get some footage with that thing.
Just get you in there. Just to have you in there.
Hey, oh shit, you can see yourself.
Yeah, you can
That's
see
pretty
Isn't
cool.
that crazy?
Yeah.
It's like a whole selfie.
Uh,
Yeah, really.
look at the back of the shoes though. What are those called?
Wow.
What are those? Okay, stationary.
Yeah. Welcome back.
Yeah.
Hey!
I did it.
So we are at LAX right now, headed out to Cleveland. We're gonna link up with Ari. We're gonna link up with the squad. I'm like overwhelmed with excitement right now. Shout out to Chris Ray for making my life way crazier with this new GoPro, so I'm very excited about it. Shout out everybody. We're at LAX right now. Look where we at. This is how we doing things. We're just moving and grooving. So let's get on this flight. This is crazy. I got a whole selfie stick now. I'm like a new dude. This is gonna be wild, man. We're taking these vlogs out of LA. Let's go. Alright. So just got to Vegas. My flight got delayed, so I missed my connecting flight. It's about 10:30. Dang. Now let's see. I'm tired. But we're on the way. Cleveland, we're on the way. Shout out to Vegas. Thank you. Yeah. So we've landed in Cleveland. from a flight to from a flight almost delayed LAX. We've made it to Cleveland. Shout out everybody. Oh, let's get this journey. I'm getting my bag right now. Hyped. We made it. The delay turned out not to be a delay, so we're still on schedule. This is crazy. I'm GoProing. Shout out Chris Ray again. He changed my life. That's a good man right there. Yeah, I just want to let that be known. We out in Cleveland. Shout out everybody. Where's the bag? Yes, sir. So no bag. My bag got put on a Colorado flight, and the flight doesn't get here until 6 p.m.
Please report back to American Airlines ticket.
It's 6 a.m.
Once again, American Airlines is paging passenger Camilla Carroll. Please report to American Airlines ticket counter.
That's what we're doing. Got the dog in the house.
Ew.
Hey,
Frontier.
ruining shit.
No more Frontier.
No more Frontier. Damn, back in Cleveland though. This is crazy. 6 a.m. no board.
Nice clouds though.
Nice clouds. Oh. Good man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uncle June Bugs. OG.
We're in your backyard. I see the gate was open, so I just came into the back.
Yeah! The man!
You're the man. Love
Oh
you.
my God, good to see you. Yes.
Yeah.
So hyped.
First
One more.
of the day.
Killer.
Yes.
First stop of the day?
Yep.
Nice.
And I'm vlogging it.
No.
Outside. Just stopped by, seen Junior. Now we're about to go see Derek. Derek. We're gonna go see Dan first?
Yeah, we're seeing Dan first.
Okay, we're gonna go see Dan.
Daniel Knapp.
And then we're gonna go surprise Derek. Derek doesn't know that I'm here. So we're gonna shock him with that. So just be on the lookout for that. There we go. God, good to see you.
Welcome back.
Fuck yeah, my dude.
Good to see you, bud.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, guys? You took the red eye, huh? You
Huh?
find your bag? You said you left your
Nah, not
Well,
yet.
now I don't really need help, but
Fuck! I knew
No,
it.
actually you do.
My bad.
kind of.
So,
So we're at Derek's.
Oh, look, he's out.
He doesn't know I'm here. I can just get at it. Damn it, there he is. Let me go. Yo, Derek. What's up, bro? Oh my God. Good to see you.
Hey!
Outside. What? Bro, you could run your own plantation. This is crazy. This is so tight. We made it to Derek land. The land of the free. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
This one I didn't clip, we just let it do its own thing, and that one I like.
This
Caught
one?
early, both of those. Those are the seeds you gave me. Blackberry Kush.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really?
But I don't think they're all the same, because this looks darker than these two.
That's
But yeah, those
crazy.
are
Wow. Long time no see.
How's it going?
Oh, good to see you. Terry, my brother.
How you doing? Got
Good.
the yellows on too?
Yeah. Yep, my skate shoes. Fuck yeah. This is sick.
Home.
I know. We back. Hey! Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Wow, long time no see.
You got here this morning.
Yeah, no, it's all good. Yeah. Yeah, they lost my bag. Yeah, so this is how I'm at.
Oh, are you serious? So what do they, like, what now? Have you heard anything?
They said that the bag should be there by 6. We're in Canton, Ohio. My luggage got left, so I'm stuck skating a well put together board from all my good friends. Let's go check this park out.
Kill on the beat. I didn't know he made me. This shit is dope. Dog, I literally just started making beats. Not even a week ago. Whatever it is, dog, he's got it. I don't even know what the fuck the right word. You already said it. This shit is dope. 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 This shit is dope. Dope. Student words. Dope. All the time. Dope. K-I-N-G-V-I-N-E. One word. Dope. Who's rapping? Dope. Some fucking dope. White kid. His name's Never Ending Spliff. Oh, Mike Jordan. They got it quite down. I'm back in this bitch. Lungs going black from the hash and the spliffs. Last I was picked, now I cap in the ship. Scratching the list, I'm stashing the chips. I get gas in the whip, I dip fast. If I crash my shit, then I laugh like this. Ha ha ha, I'm him. Wow wow wow, they pissed that I rap like this. Pissed that it's hot like this. Wish they could have my bitch, my swag, my drip. They ain't got class like this. They ain't got half my grip. They pass, I switch. Hit another lap right quick. Get another bag right quick. I don't slack, I'm slick. I don't ever lag, I lift. I don't ever pass my piff. Do you catch my drift? I think I'm in the pocket. Keys. I think I'm gonna lock it. I'll think about his profit. Visions and deposits from the bottom. Me and Killer really get it poppin' if you really got a problem. Promise that it really isn't nada. Really sippin' kava in the villa, but we killer by the water. I can raise a ceiling if I wanna. I'ma make a killing cause I got it. Do you feel it? I'm dope. 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 Do you see that? Dope. Dope.
Maybe
hey, what? Do you feel that?
Yeah.
Dope. Killer me dope.
Killer on the beat, plus killer on the beat. House sweet like a room with a really nice sheets. I dream of a crib with a really nice things on the bay to the cleat. That's a really long reach. Got reach from New York all the way to Long Beach. Blow trees overseas, go from Asia to Greece. OD, COD, walls that I breathe. Damn near seen heaven with heights that I reach. All in that bag like I am some thief. It's all about life. It's not what who thinks. Don't try to do things, not one but two things. They think I've lost it. I'm Dr. Seussing. Dope, handle this shit, put the kill in a twist like a neck in a grip. You dope, swear to God we too lit. Y'all can tell this how we do it.
So, Sean, can you let the people know where we are?
9th Street, Canton, Ohio.
9th Street, Canton, Ohio.
Yep.
DIY.
DIY.
How long has this place been here?
Probably like 3-4 years.
So, it's fucking dope.
Yeah, it's nice.
Outside, motherfucking Canton, Ohio. I got my boys with me at the mustard seed.
That's enough stuff skating in 2 months. It went longer than 2 hours, I think.
Shout out to the mustard seed. This is Eric's grocery store.
That's all him.
It's mine. I own it.
Yeah, eat the banana, we have a piece and break it off.
Yo, why break it with your finger?
I don't know.
I keep it real, man. You just can't have too much of it out. You know, if you eat it still in the pill, it's not that great.
I haven't had it out. I used to love this thing.
You know, if it's just like straight up sticking out, like that's crazy. But you know, if it's still like a little bit in the banana pill, it's like, it's normal, you know? There's rules to these things.
I peeled all the way back.
This man's a menace to society. Let's eat.